In this video, I will show you how you can install a glass screen protector on your iPad with no bubbles. Now, depending on the brand of the screen protector which you're buying, you will get a few tools to apply the protector. But the basic tools you will need to apply the protector are a set of dry and wet wipes to clean the screen of your iPad. Also, you will have the glass protector itself. And finally, you will need a squeegee to move out any bubbles beneath the screen protector. If you don't have a squeegee, you can use a piece of cardboard or you can use a business card and you can apply masking tape around the card so you could use it as a squeegee. Now to start applying the screen protector, first of all, just unpack the wet wipes and use the wet wipes to clean the screen of your iPad and remove every bit of dust on the screen. If you leave even a tiny bit of dust on the screen, it will form a bubble after you apply the protector. So that is why you will need to clean the screen of your iPad perfectly without leaving any dust on the screen. After that, just use the dry wipes and clean the screen using the dry wipes. And as I said earlier, make sure you don't leave any dust particle on the screen. After that, just bring the glass protector and peel off the sticker beneath the glass protector and then align the sides of the protector with your iPad. And after you align the protector with the sides of your iPad, then peel off the remaining plastic on the protector. Then place the glass protector on the screen of your iPad and it will fit naturally on the iPad. As you can see, the bubbles are moving out beneath the protector. Now you might have a few bubbles left beneath the screen protector. So in that case, just use the squeegee and move the bubbles towards the nearest side of the protector. As you can see, as I'm doing over here, just push the bubbles towards the nearest side. Now just keep doing that until you remove all the bubbles beneath the protector. Now while moving the bubbles out beneath the protector of your iPad, you might face a few stubborn bubbles which refuse to go out. So in that case, just use your fingernail and lift the protector at the area where you're finding that bubble. And as you lift the protector, the bubble will move out, then release the protector and it will sit naturally on the screen. Now after you remove all the bubbles, just use the squeegee and rub the squeegee across the sides of the screen protector so it fits perfectly on the screen. As you can see, we have successfully placed the screen protector on our iPad. Now I will use a microfiber cloth and I will clean the screen of my iPad to remove any fingerprints from the screen. And as you can see, we have successfully installed the glass screen protector on our iPad with no bubbles. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.